position.
Was a little hairy in the left leg.
Gonna have to warm them tires up again, boys.
All right. Hold, 02, back it up. Remember, DJ, once they're on the line, just hold for them with the body. DJ, kill the volume, kill the volume. This is the big boys.
Class number 13, class number 25, 13-second class. You up next. Brian.
Definitely.
Very tight-knit group of guys. All right, now, as you can see, please step back. All right. end. Left leg.
Left leg.
Synchronized shot from under the cars.
Whoa! Right leg. So just letting you know, we're running the best of 3. Whoa!
Okay guys, this is technically the second pass between the invested Lucia Supra and Helter Skelter. So far the score is 1-0 in favor of Helter Skelter. The Supra is about to take a pass by itself, which will automatically make the score 1-all. So they will get a third pass against each other for the final. They are setting up for a final run with each other to settle the score.
Bikes, get ready. 14-second class, get ready.
Bike 424 and 112, you're up next. After that, Pax S13, 180SX, Narai Maxwell, S14 Sylvia. You guys are next.
Bikers.
424, 112, biker.
Wow. Yes, man. It's all about the Kawasaki's right now. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Guys, this is why it's important to always try your best to be on the safe side of things. They always constantly warn people, hey guys, stay away from the barriers. And you know, this kind of situation can definitely happen. And of course, thank God it didn't go, you know, overboard anywhere else. But you know, you have to be careful, guys. Be careful out there. Big up to the riders. This is dangerous stuff, but of course, you know, these guys are professionals, and situations like these tend to happen from time to time. So big up to the guys out there, man.